Is Samsung Smart TV Android? No, Samsung Smart TVs do not run on Android TV. Instead, Samsung uses its own operating system called Tizen OS. While Android TVs and Samsung Smart TVs share many features, they are based on different platforms with unique app ecosystems and functionalities. Below is a detailed comparison. 1. What operating system does Samsung Smart TV use? Samsung Smart TVs run on Tizen OS, a Linux-based system developed by Samsung. It is different from Android TV, which is used by brands like Sony, TCL, and Hisense. 2. Can you install Android apps on Samsung Smart TV? No. Samsung Smart TVs do not support Google Play Store. Instead, they use Samsung Smart Hub, where you can download apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and more. You cannot directly install Android apps APK files on Samsung Smart TVs. 3. Key differences between Samsung Smart TV and Android TV. Operating system. Samsung uses Tizen OS, while Android TVs run on Google's Android TV OS. App Store. Samsung Smart TVs use Samsung Smart Hub, whereas Android TVs use Google Play Store. Voice assistants. Samsung TVs support Bixby, Alexa, and Google Assistant, while Android TVs use Google Assistant as the main AI assistant. Customization. Android TV offers more customization and allows APK side loading, while Samsung Tizen OS is more user-friendly but less flexible. 4. Can Samsung Smart TVs run Android apps? No, Samsung Smart TVs cannot natively run Android apps. However, you can cast Android content from a phone or tablet using Samsung Smart View, Chromecast, or screen mirroring features. 5. Alternatives to get Android features on a Samsung Smart TV. If you want Android TV features on a Samsung Smart TV, you can. Use an Android TV box like NVIDIA Shield or MyBox. Connect a Fire TV stick or Chromecast with Google TV for Android-based apps. Use screen mirroring from an Android phone or tablet. 6. Should you buy a Samsung Smart TV if you want Android? If you prefer Android TV features, Samsung Smart TVs may not be the best choice. However, if you want a smooth, user-friendly interface with premium picture quality, Samsung's Tizen OS offers a great Smart TV experience. Samsung Smart TVs are not Android TVs. They run on Tizen OS. While they do not support Google Play Store or Android apps, they offer a smooth, intuitive interface, smart features, and high-quality displays.